Okay, so to start our square we need to make a chain stitch that's 6 stitches long. So we've tied our double knot on our hook here and we're going to do our 6 chain stitches. So we're going under and pulling that through, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can see those there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one is on the hook there still. Now we need to close that loop. So we're going to take the head of the hook and pass it back through the very first loop in the chain. So we now have 2 pieces of yarn over the hook. We're going to loop under again and then pull that one through both. So that's going to close our little loop. Okay, and that's the start of our square there. From there we're going to do 3 more chain stitches. So we've got 1, 2, 3 to create the first long stitch in the first loop we're doing around. Now we need to do 11 of the double stitches. So if you remember when we did this, it's under, through, pick it up at the back and bring it back to the front. So we have 3 loops on the hook now. Then under, through those first 2, under, and through 2 again. So we end up with 1 loop of thread on one loop of yarn on our hook. So we do that again. Under, through the middle, pick it up at the back, bring it through. Under, through 2, under, through 2. Okay, so that's now 1, 2, 3 that we've got on there. We need 9 more. Under, through the middle, pick it up at the back, bring it through. Under, through 2, under, through 2. Alright, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we need to close that loop. So we've got our 12 stitches around. We can feel them, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember not to pull them too tight or you're going to end up finding it very hard to work with. So we need to close off that first loop. Now we're going to go through here between the first and the second, so between that chain of 3 and the first double stitch. We're going to bring the thread from behind, pull it through and straight through that one. So we now have 1 loop left. Okay, that's our first lap. Now to go from here, we're going up the 3 chain stitches again, and then we're doing our double stitch into that same space where the chain stitch started. Okay, so we're going in through there, and that's going to be the base of our double stitch. So we do a group of 3 there. So with the chain which counts as 1 and then 2 double stitches. And now we're moving over to the next corner, which is over here. So we're skipping over 1, 2, 3 of these ones down here and finding the next gap there. And we're doing our double stitch into there. 1, 2, 3. And now because this is going to be a corner where we're turning, we're putting in a single chain stitch and then 3 more double stitches into that same corner there, into that same space. 1, 2, 3, and you can